to another art journal video. Today's quote is, "Everything is hard before it is easy." And here I've got some Neocolor aquarelle crayons, which I'm going to use to create a sort of carbon copy by scribbling on the reverse and then using it to trace down the image onto my page. I have made a mask from copy paper in the same shape as my image, and I'm going to be using that later. But first I'm choosing some Inktense pencil colours and I'm just blocking in different parts of the image. I'm starting with a nest and then I will go on to do the bird. And here you can see me adding water to the Inktense pencils, and you can see how juicy the colour is. I really love this bit. I decided to make my little chick a very colourful little guy because this is just the fun part of it all. And I think that as far as the quote is concerned, even birds find it hard to fly before they've mastered it, so it's kind of inspiring. So here I'm going to use the mask, and I've got a stamp which I've 3D printed at home, and I'm just applying ink as usual, and then where the mask is obviously won't pick up the ink, so you'll get the impression that the birds are flying behind the little chick. Here I'm just stamping on my quote, which is everything is hard before it is easy. And I think it's really an inspiring quote because everything seems hard to start with, but we shouldn't just give up straight away. And this is what inspired the little chick as the visual for the page, because even chicks find it hard to fly before they managed to do it the first time. So my camera failed to record the next little bit, so I'm going to show you a close-up of the finished page where I've added some white jelly roll gel pen details onto the bird so that it just adds that little bit of interest to the page. I hope you've enjoyed joining me on this art journaling trip today, and hope it's inspired you to maybe give Inktense pencils a go. Like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. See you next time.